Let's explore the top 5 DevOps tools that are essential for modern software development and deployment. These tools will help you streamline your processes, improve collaboration, and deliver high-quality software faster. First, we have Docker. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to package your applications and their dependencies into standardized units called containers. These containers ensure consistency across different environments, making it easier to deploy and scale your applications. Here are some basic Docker commands. To build an image, use docker build tmyapp. To run a container, use docker run p8080:80 myapp. To list containers, use docker ps. And to stop a container, use docker stop container _id. Next up is Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a container orchestration system that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It helps you manage complex deployments, ensure high availability, and optimize resource utilization. Here are some essential kubectl commands. To deploy an application, use kubectl apply fdeployment.yaml. To scale deployment, use kubectl scale replicas equals 3 deploy/myapp. To get pod status, use kubectl get pods. Finally, to view logs, use kubectl logs pod name. Our third tool is Jenkins. Jenkins is a continuous integration and continuous delivery, or CI/CD, automation server that automates the build, test, and deployment processes. It supports a wide range of plugins and integrations, making it a versatile tool for automating your software delivery pipeline. Here's an example of a Jenkins pipeline script. The pipeline contains stages like build, where npm install is executed, and test, where npm test is executed. The agent specifies where the pipeline will be executed. The fourth tool is Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as code, or IAC tool that allows you to define and provision infrastructure using declarative configuration files. It supports multiple cloud providers, enabling you to manage your infrastructure in a consistent and automated way. Here are some basic Terraform commands. To initialize project, use Terraform init. To plan changes, use Terraform plan. To apply configuration, use Terraform apply. Finally, to destroy resources, use Terraform destroy. Our final tool is Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management tool that automates the configuration and deployment of software on servers. It uses a simple, agentless architecture and YAML-based playbooks to define and apply configurations. Here are some basic Ansible commands. To run playbook, use Ansible playbook site.yml. To check hosts, use Ansible alm ping. To install package, use Ansible alm yum, a name equals Jinx. Finally, to gather facts, use Ansible alm setup. Why should you use these DevOps tools? They offer several benefits, including faster deployment through automated processes, improved reliability with consistent environments and automated testing, better scalability with infrastructure as code, and enhanced team collaboration through standardized workflows. Thank you for watching. By mastering Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, and Ansible, you'll be well equipped for DevOps success. These tools are fundamental for modern software development and can significantly improve your team's efficiency and software quality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.